Hi, Si here from Music Radar. We're at NAMM 2019. We're on the Elektron booth. This is Cenk.
Hi.
The masterful Cenk is going to take us through Overbridge 2. It's finally here.
Yeah,
big news.
Totally, yeah, and we're very excited to show you this. It's currently it's not available as a public beta, Overbridge 2.0, and as soon as we've got the Digitakt plugin and the VSCI plugin and the application running, we will release it as like a full thing, stable thing. Okay. And right now we're getting a lot of feedback from our users. We're polishing the stuff and optimizing it, and now it works pretty well. So we can have a look at that. Yeah,
take us through your best bits.
Sure, yeah, only the best bits. That's what I try to do all the time. You know? Like eating dessert first. Okay, so here I have an Ableton Live setup, and here I have a channel which has a Digitakt plugin, and then I have some effects which I control by here, and then followed by that I have track 1 to 8 here, which is like the individual tracks coming from here, and then I have an analog heat track which has the analog heat plugin, which is here. This is the Digitakt plugin, and that is the analog heat. If we look at the plugin, we've overhauled the design. We made it much more, much friendlier to use, easier to understand, and we took a lot of considerations, and here it is. And of course, it responds to what I'm doing, and you can change the filter from here if you want, if that's your thing, or from the machine also. So it's both ways, and both of these plugins actually transmit the audio into the DAW. So if I look at my preferences, I can see that there is no device selected as input. I could select one of this or that, but no, in this case I haven't. And as a sound card, I have the arrow hooked up. And these two machines are only connected by USB, no analog ins or outs, through the overhub, and it's connected to the computer. So I'll solo this track, and I'll press play. I've got this sync on, which is the clock transport. We offer near sample accurate sync. We're really happy that the sync can be this tight in a world of hardware and software. So if I press play now, that's the Digitakt playing. And then, so yeah, that's where the stereo is, stereo input. Then I have like the individuals. This is the only kick, and we have the snare, some other sound. I think it's like the sub, some chords I think here. Let's see. Here we go. And then and that's track number 8, the hi-hats. I mean, you could record all this into all separate tracks. This is really, really helpful. Another thing is that you can actually now use effects and without any issues. So now I've got some beat repeats and stuff like. And then maybe I could add some effects like these. I love this stuff. Some like dodgy delay, dirty. And all this stuff you can do, because you know you can have these computers are crazy. They offer a lot of stuff, but they're a bit weird, as we would know. But we need to make the best of used worlds, and this is what we do here. Yeah. So here it is. And another cool thing that I have going on here is that the analog heat is being used on this channel, and I have here audio from Digitakt, and I use only the main outputs. I can use individuals or any of these weird things that is appearing. So I've selected as like only the Digitakt. So now when I do it like this, the audio is being heard through the heat, and so I can actually process the audio without any fiddling with the cables or anything. And this process can be applied to Overbridge units or VSCI plugins or any other stuff. It's crazy. It's like having an analog processing device in your DAW, digital audio workstation. Yeah. This really kind of like
always the vision.
It was always the vision, and now finally it's realized.
Cool.
I can like really crank it up, make it dirty and messed up. That's some clipping for you guys. So that's what it does. Let's have a look at the sync. I kind of skipped that part. So I'm going to play, and I've got some clips here. So let's launch the hi-hats. And I'm going to, of course, solo this track too. Yeah, it's kind of okay. And let's try the other track. Yep. So the sync works, and this applies to any other VSTI plugins and running at the same time. Yeah, it's pretty sweet like that.
Awesome.
And of course, what I can do is, I really like this, is that I have the breakbeat channel. So I'm gonna select the breakbeat channel and then post FX. I'm gonna solo that track. So now when I press play on one of these beats, it's gonna go through this bad boy.
Oh, cool.
So you can like, I mean, look at that. Yeah, this is that's what it is originally, and then maybe, yeah. I know I'm clipping the inputs, but yeah, we're at a trade show.
We're gonna be heard.
Exactly. I gotta feel the bass. You know?
Wind in your hair.
Yeah, and that's what how we can make use of Overbridge in a DAW world.
Yeah.
There's a little cherry on the pie, is this one here. So I'll quit live now, and each time I do that, I have a rejoice in my head, freedom. So now I have the Digitakt plugin here. So as soon as I run this, it connects to the Digitakt, and your audio, your computer, and your sound card becomes your audio output, and everything is here. I can change all the stuff.
Okay, so we're in full standalone mode, and it's
exactly.
Yeah.
And the icing on the cake. This was the cherry, and this is the icing. Is that you get all these individual outputs, so I can record everything, or maybe just monitor, like, I don't know, these two. I just record them, or record the whole mix, or everything at the same time. This is a very impressive stuff to do like this.
Cool.
And of course, the inputs, they are treated as a separate channel. So meaning that any Overbridge device that we have, all of them have inputs, so all of them are actually audio interfaces. So you can record external gear on Overbridge. So they become like sound cards.
Yeah.
And as a drum machine, or an analog processor, or a synthesizer. Yeah, when you put it like this, it sounds like we're offering a bit too much, but it's all for the good of the people out there. Yeah.
Yeah, that's it. That's very altruistic of you. We like that.
Yeah.
So you're saying we're in public beta at the moment, very close to fruition. Is there kind of any idea when it's going to be fully ready?
No,
roadmap-wise, months.
I would love to do that, but you give an idea, it becomes reality on internet. So
yeah,
I'm just gonna say it's gonna be soon.
Fight, don't they?
And we're very clear about it.
Yeah.
This is like, I would say personally, it works 90%, 95%, maybe 85%.
Yeah.
I mean, of course, when I was doing these demos, here and there are glitches, maybe some little audio glitch or something, but compared to before, this is a huge rewrite, a rehaul of what we have achieved so far.
So we're on the home straight, which is cool.
Sorry?
So we're on the home straight. So
we're on a home straight.
Yeah, it's all good.
And why is public beta right now? Is because of these reasons. We know that we can even make this more stable, more optimized, and ultimately we need to have the Digitone standalone application and the VSTI AU plugins also at the same time. This is our target, and well, what I can say, it will be in this year. And we just started the year, so
there we go.
Speculate away.
Yeah, we'll let them go. Thanks so much, Cheng, for that.
Thank you very much.
Be sure to like, subscribe, comment and share wherever you'll see this video right now, and head on over to musicradar.com for the latest NAMM news as we get it from the show floor. So see you soon, cheers.